everyone, the word of the day is blunt. Let's look at the meaning for the word blunt. The word blunt is an adjective, and it means to speak in an honest way even if this upsets people. For example, Ali can be very blunt and sometimes shocks people who don't know him well. Now it's time to see some example sentences. Number 1, he is very blunt and very straightforward. Number 2, her blunt comments really soured the atmosphere. Number 3, the blunt comment made Harry laugh in spite of himself. Number 4, he told the industry in blunt terms that such discrimination is totally unacceptable. Number 5, he's bit blunt sometimes. He often just says what he thinks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to learn more new words, then subscribe to our channel.